In this sample exercise, we will be using if and logical condition to find out overall the representative who have sold some of the items which are more than $25. If they have sold $25 or more, they will get the bonus. So any representative who has sold either $25 or more than $25, they will get the bonus. That is what we are going to calculate. So let us apply the formula equals if and open the bracket and, which is logical function, open the bracket, select the condition on which you want to apply the logical function. D29 is the cell, is greater than or equal to $25, then they will have bonus. Bonus is a string you can use in inverted commas. And also enter another string with inverted comma, no bonus, and close the bracket. So this formula will give you the result if the criteria is met of selling $25 or more than $25, then those representatives will get the bonus. Let us enter and check who is getting the bonus. Since $300 is more than $25, Smith will be getting the bonus. Copy the formula across all the cell and apply the formula for all the representatives to see who is getting the bonus and who is not getting the bonus. So whoever who has sold $25 will get the bonus, and the representative who has not sold $25 or more, then they will not get the bonus.